Today I'm roasting up something devilishly addictive. It's crunchy, sweet, it's packed with heat. I'm talking screaming peanuts. Welcome back to my channel where I take all of your comfort foods, make them plant-based and better. I'm Jeremiah, this is 31 Days of Halloween. Today I'm making one of my favorites, screaming peanuts. Okay, we're gonna start this out with some maple syrup. We're gonna now do some oil. We're gonna do a few pinches of salt. Paprika, we're gonna do a couple teaspoons. And some cayenne pepper. Now I'm just gonna mix this up. Now I'm gonna add some peanuts. I'm gonna mix this as I go just to make sure that all of the peanuts get coated with all of the seasoning, the maple and the oil. Now there's tons of this mix down here on the bottom, so just making sure I really get down to the bottom to mix it in. And this is the last bit of peanuts, so I'm just going to mix this up and then roast it in the oven. Good so far. They're packing the heat. Now I'm just going to go ahead and roast it off. That's going to help get all of this pepper and oil and maple syrup to stick to those peanuts and really bring that together. So I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to roast it about 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And now I'm going to add the peanuts right to the top of this. Let's check out these peanuts. Alright, so those look good. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a bowl to cool down and throw in the second batch. Let's go ahead and try out these screaming peanuts. Sweet, smoky, fiery, crunchy. If peanuts had a final form, this would be it. These peanuts are perfect for a party, perfect for a small gathering, perfect for a small snack to enjoy those Halloween movies. This is great. And if you're a fan of peanuts like I am, it's all the better. I have more great 31 Days of Halloween recipes coming your way because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon. So, more treats, no tricks. That's my promise to you.